You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn what is the meaning of this Roman numeral and why. So how do you say it? This is number 25 because every X is for 20 and the phi is for 5. So XX, so 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. Number Roman numeral 25. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.